Imagine holding a camera that doesn't just record a scene, but completely changes how you experience the world through a glass lens. A tool so intensely tactile, so beautifully deliberate, that it makes every other modern camera feel like an emotionless plastic computer. For years, the mainstream photography industry has been lying to us. They conditioned us to chase numbers on a spec sheet, to demand clinical, sterile perfection, and to accept giant, bulky bodies that turn the art of capturing a human moment into a heavy, exhausting chore. We became obsessed with endless menus and hyper-automated tracking, slowly losing the soul of why we picked up a camera in the first place. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Then, a quiet revolution happened in the heart of Japan. What you are looking at right now is not just a standard camera update. It is a profound, aggressive manifesto against the homogenization of modern imaging. This is the FUJIFILM X-Pro 4, and it has arrived to completely dismantle how we think about documentary, street, and visual storytelling. To truly understand why this camera is causing absolute obsession among elite street photographers, journalists, and visual artists worldwide, you have to look past the stunning, vintage-inspired exterior. You have to look directly into the deep psychological shift it forces upon you the moment you raise it to your eye. The modern world moves dangerously fast, flooded with billions of disposable, heavily edited digital images that are forgotten in a second. The X-Pro 4 is engineered specifically to fight that superficial speed. Built around a highly advanced, ultra-refined sensor architecture, it delivers an organic, breathtaking image quality that doesn't look like code or pixels. It looks like film. It mimics the beautiful, subtle tonal gradations and micro-contrast of classic analog emulsions, giving your work a timeless, cinematic weight right out of the camera. It forces you to slow down, to look closer, and to feel the texture of the light before you ever press the shutter. Think about the unique, almost physical magic of the hybrid viewfinder system inside this machine. This is the crown jewel of the X-Pro legacy, and in this iteration, it has achieved absolute perfection. With a single flick of a lever on the front of the body, you can instantly switch between a crystal-clear optical viewfinder and a high-definition electronic panel. When you use the optical finder, you aren't looking at a screen or a digital reproduction. You are looking directly through a pure pane of glass. You see the world exactly as it is, in real time, with zero lag, zero blackout, and complete peripheral awareness. You can see a subject stepping into your frame a split second before they arrive, allowing you to anticipate the perfect human emotion. If you need to check your exposure, your white balance, or your focus depth, you flick the lever, and the electronic viewfinder seamlessly takes over, giving you total digital precision. It is an engineering masterpiece that bridges the gap between old-school instinct and futuristic capability. But the real secret weapon of the X-Pro 4 lies in the complete redesign of its internal processing brain. Operating on a hyper-optimized computational engine, the autofocus system doesn't merely track subjects. It anticipates them with deep machine learning intelligence. It locks onto human eyes, faces, animal profiles, and rapid motion instantly, handling complex lighting situations that would make other camera sensors hunt in frustration. Yet, despite this extreme technological power, the interface remains beautifully invisible. Fujifilm has meticulously stripped away the digital noise, ensuring that your control